Hi, today we are going to see how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. First open your image in Photoshop that you want to make the teeth white. Then open the layer panel and click on this adjustment icon, and here you will find hue and saturation option. Click on it. It will add a new hue saturation layer. Now click on this hand icon and click on the color that you want to remove from the teeth. I want to remove the yellow one, so I'm clicking on the yellow color and drag it down. Then increase the lightness. When you're satisfied, close the panel and select the layer mask thumbnail and click on Ctrl I. It will invert the marks. Now choose the brush tool and paint over the teeth. Make sure the white is on the top. So here is the after and here is the before. This is how you can whiten teeth in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.